Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create a Binance account. For that, open your Google Play Store or App Store, and here in the search bar you need to simply search for Binance. Once you are able to find Binance application, you need to tap on the install button and wait for some time until it is installing in your device. Once the installation is completed, you need to tap on the open button so that you would be redirected on the home page of Binance. Now, the home page of Binance will look something like this, where you need to tap on the sign up button because we want to create our new account on it. Now, on the welcome page, it may ask you that you can either create your account via your email address and even with your phone number. So you can use any of these. For this video, I'm going to use my email address to create my account. So let me just write my email address first. After writing the email address, you need to press next. Now it will ask you to verify your email address as they sent a 6-digit code on your email address that you have mentioned in the previous section. So you just have to wait for some time until you get the code, and once you receive the code, you need to open your email address and you need to copy the code from there. As you can see over here, this is the code that I have received. So I will just tap on this yellow section and copy the code from here. Now go back to Binance and paste the code in this section. Then it will take some time and show you the create a password section, where you just have to create a strong password for your account, but you need to make sure that the password that you set is between 8 to 128 characters, and it should have at least one number and one uppercase letter. So let me just create my password. After that, you need to press next. Once it is done, it will show welcome aboard. Over here, you just have to tap on the next button in the bottom, and there you go, you have successfully created your account on Binance. Now in the second step, you will have to complete your KYC, and in order to complete your KYC, you need to make sure that you have a national ID handy in your account. After that, you just have to follow further instructions in order to successfully verify your identity, and once the verification is completed, you will be able to start using Binance mobile application. So that's how you create a Binance account on the application. If this video helped you out, make sure to stay tuned for more tutorials. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next one.